So go to the store, find yourself a bag of peanuts. You need to get the peanuts that are just raw peanuts. You don't want to get anything, you don't want to get steamed peanuts, you don't want to get roasted peanuts or baked peanuts. You want raw peanuts. Anyway, you take your peanut, you break them open, right? And that part that comes out, that's a peanut. That's peanut shell. You take your peanut shells and you just throw them out in your garden. They just become mulch. But the actual peanut that's inside, right? These are what grow underground, right? They grow underground like potatoes do. But you can take these and you can go plant those in your garden. Each one of these individual peanuts, and they'll sprout and they'll grow a whole new plant. And one thing about peanuts is peanuts help improve your soil. So peanuts are a type of legume. Legumes help fix nitrogen into the soil. So the legumes, which these peanuts are considered legumes, just like a lot of beans and things like that are. And they work with bacteria in the soil to fix the nitrogen. They pull the nitrogen out of the atmosphere and they fix it into the soil. But I want to grow these because I just want to grow my own, right? I want to grow my own just to see, if I can do it. I would love for the soil to be in a better condition. So yeah, definitely I'm going to plant them. I'm going to grow them. So I'll just stick my finger down in there, drop them down in there just like I would any other place. Of course, my mulch here is kind of dry, but you know what? We will get some more rain, that's for sure. So I'm just going to stick them in the dirt, and I'm just going to let them grow. I don't really care if they're close to each other or far apart from each other. Look at that mushroom. But hey, you can even plant them in the shell like this, they'll grow. As long as the shell's kind of cracked open. But I'm just going to plant them right here in this area and let them do their thing. Over time, of course, I'm not really sure what the best time of the year is. I'll have to do a little research on that, but I think we still have plenty of time for these things to, just kind of take off and do their own thing. So this is an experiment, of course, and I'm just going to put them in the dirt, and later on, whenever I see these things, if I happen to see them sprout, then I'll make another video about it. Zoom out a little bit here. I'm just sticking a bunch of them down in the dirt here, and I'm not worrying about spacing or anything like that. They're just in there. And hopefully that'll really help, because anything that'll help your garden improve is worth it, right? I mean, in terms of free stuff, it's free, basically, other than the cost of purchasing a bag of peanuts. Make sure you get the raw peanuts, because if they've been steamed or anything, then they won't work, because they'll be cooked. Raw peanuts, then bring them home, stick them in the garden, and you will grow a bunch of peanuts under that dirt, which means you will definitely recoup the investment you made into the bag of peanuts. Alright, so I don't know. I know it's fall, but wish me luck in my gardens.